In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete messages on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then just go to a conversation in which you would like to delete messages, and then just delete them. If you would like to delete one single message, just hold down your finger on it and then tap at delete. That will allow you to check mark multiple messages at once in that way, and then to delete them, tap at that trash icon and then confirm the deletion. If you would like to clear the entire conversation, you can easily do so in the same way. Just go to a conversation, tap right here at the very top, scroll down to the very bottom, and then tap at clear chat and then clear all messages. However, these messages we have just deleted might still have been stored at your WhatsApp backup. So if you want to permanently delete those messages, you need to go to settings, then chats, chat backup, and all we have to do now is just make a new backup. To do that, tap at backup now and then wait for backing up process to finish. After that, your WhatsApp messages will be permanently deleted.